Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking core essentials and jumping into play. This is not setup fluff. Make sure your network is stable and your camera gives clear ball visibility, then cue rank doubles or solo standard immediately. Start each match by holding safe rotations, shadowing the play, and committing only to high percentage challenges. You focus on touches that maintain possession rather than hero plays. This builds the necessary win count. Once you secure streaks, track your MMR and avoid reckless boosts that reset momentum. Once you have momentum, you shift to sustaining wins and nudging MMR upward. Focus each session on improving one weakness you observed in replays, then lock that correction into the next 3-5 matches. Rotate between competitive matches and short training packs to reinforce touch and angle control. Make small, measurable improvements. For example, reduce challenge mistimings by half in a week. When you chain wins, keep your decision-making conservative and force overtime control rather than risky clears. You now execute the final push to clinch the Zen title. Queue only when you feel focused, play until you hit the target rank threshold, then secure a buffer of wins. If a losing streak appears, pause immediately. Review 5 recent replays to isolate recurring errors, then take a 30-60-minute break. Make sure to protect your MMR by avoiding tilt matches and stick to conservative rotations until the title locks. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, reset training drills and reduce session length to avoid burnout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.